Today's tech tip will be a quick video on searching for commands. Searching for commands can come in handy whether you're like me and you can't remember where you leave your keys, or you use ultra-wide monitors and you're too lazy to move your mouse across the screen. There are a couple ways to call up commands from the search tool. The first shortcut to search for commands in SolidWorks is by pressing the W key on the keyboard. This will activate the search that's on the list in the upper right corner of the application. If the command you're searching for is not first on the list, just use the arrow keys to cycle through. My two favorite features when searching for commands are the show command location and the ability to drag and drop commands. The show command location shows you where to find a certain command in the application. If you want to find where that command is normally located, select the eye and watch SolidWorks open the menus leading you to the location and point to it with a red arrow. You can also drag and drop the command to your command manager. Once you've searched for the command, simply drag it over to the command manager and you won't need to search for it again. Some commands can be both toggled on and off by using the Enter key. Keep in mind that if a command cannot be run, it may be unavailable on the results list and appear lower on the list. For example, assembly commands can only be run when an assembly document is open. The second shortcut to search for commands in SolidWorks is by using the S key shortcut. This will launch the shortcut bar, which will allow you to search for commands in a similar fashion to the search found on the menu bar. For the most part, the S key functions the same way as the W key. You can also customize the shortcut bar by dragging commands or by selecting the plus sign. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you find this helpful, and thanks for watching.